Prince Andrew's actions are alarming, says Richard Madeley. No one can know what will become of Prince Andrew, probably least of all him or his lawyers. But dear God, that it should have come to this. The Queen's second, and many believe favorite son, slowly dragged by the neck infinitesimally slowly, agonizingly so into a ghastly quagmire of seedy sex allegations, accused of repeatedly bedding a sex-trafficked teenager in London, New York, and the horribly ironically named Virgin Islands. Andrew denies everything, while his accuser stands firm. We must, of course, reserve judgment. Innocent until proven guilty, and all that. But what was Andrew thinking, associating himself with such weird characters as Jeffrey Epstein and Ghislaine Maxwell? What a pair. Yes, hindsight offers unassailable wisdom, but Epstein had been a controversial figure, to say the least, long before Andrew became his new bestie. As for Maxwell, her relationship with her crook of a father, Robert, Mirror Group thief-in-chief, was long known to be complex and odd. The unmistakable link between Ghislaine and Epstein was money. Money defined them both. Epstein's grasping, compulsive thirst for it, Ghislaine's relative absence of it after her father's mysterious death, when he fell off his yacht as his Daily Mirror pensions plundering became horribly apparent. Was Ghislaine replacing her father with Epstein, later proved to be a pedophile? It's a Freudian question, not a criminal one. But I think most would agree that something very weird was going on. So back to Andrew and his friendship with Epstein. If you sup with the devil, it's not a bad idea, to use an exceptionally long spoon. Andrew didn't. He slurped and noshed off the same plate as his bad buddy. Even in his final "I've come to break up with you" visit to Epstein in New York, Andrew managed to stretch the farewell out to several days. He stayed at Epstein's house, with young women constantly coming and going. Epstein might as well have installed a revolving door. Lord help Andrew if he's ever called to give evidence in court on his own behalf. His toe-curling performance in 2019 opposite Emily Maitlis for a BBC Two Newsnight special probably helped propel him into his current difficulties. His legal team is clearly playing a stalling game. Andrew's accuser Virginia Giuffre, who this week filed a lawsuit claiming that at 17 she was sex-trafficked to the prince, has pitbull lawyers, but so far Andrews have reportedly simply ignored their letters and emails. Andrew vehemently denies having sex with Giuffre, or even having met her, despite a photograph seemingly indicating they partied together, a grinning Ghislaine hovering behind them. The burden of proof lies with Giuffre. But under US law, criminal proceedings trump civil ones. Criminal investigations must have first crack of the whip. And the FBI isn't going away. The bureau still very much wants to question him. Can he stall them as he has Giuffre's lawyers? Unlikely. An unmistakable endgame is looming. Whatever happens, it ain't going to be pretty. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel.